Hello guys, good morning. So today I completed a 6 kilometer, which is gradually increase of 1 kilometer from the last time. The experience was good. Again, I am able to maintain the pace of 7. That is a good sign. Right now, not feeling anything. The run was very comfortable. Not I means not much pushed my body to complete this 6 kilometer. Okay, so today I'm in a Savitri by Phule Garden. Okay, which is in Pune location, and today is the weekend. It's a Saturday.
Sorry.
So okay, sorry. Actually, while I'm shooting that one of the person who is running from my backside just like okay, but it's fine, it's fine. So in here, in every weekend, you can see that some activities is happening in this garden. So this sinking is one of the activity which is happening in this garden. देखा जाए तो very pleasant environment है आज पुणे का. From last few days in Pune, the climate is not stable. In morning it's cold, afternoon it's hot, evening it's raining. So definitely it's very confusing climate which is running in Pune right now. बीमारी होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं भाई ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट में. Okay, let me show you that one, which is activities going right now in here. You can see that one couple is singing a song in here, which is very beautiful. Nice. Okay, for that, I do not want to shoot anyone without their permission. But anyhow, you can listen that song which they are singing very beautifully. That is nice. So people very joyful in here, very happiness place. If you get any time, definitely please visit this Savitri Bai Phule Garden, okay, which is located in Pimpri Chinchwad, okay, which is near to Pimpri Saudagar, Jagtap Dairy Chowk. So you can come here, very happiness place. Definitely you will enjoy your morning in here. So generally I'm using this garden for stretching and pre and post exercises after my run and before my run. Okay. बस अभी के लिए इस वीडियो में इतना ही. डेफिनेटली और नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल मीट वेरी सून. स्टिल आई एम नॉट रजिस्टर द नेक्स्ट इवेंट बिकॉज आई एम थिंकिंग टू प्लान समथिंग डिफरेंट. वेरी सून I will reveal that thing where I'm going to run. So till be tuned in my channel till to now. Check out.